Whoa, what's up and what's good? This is Clifton Ubry, and today I have a little fix for the LG V40, and it should also work for the G8. Currently showing are pictures from the V40 that are overly saturated. The phone has an issue with a lot of reds and oranges being oversaturated and blown out, so I have a little bit of a fix, and I'll show this at the end of the video. Let's go. Hello everyone, just testing out the video on the LG V40. Currently I have it at normal settings on auto mode, 1080p, 30 frames per second. And you can see some of the saturation with the camera. Now what I will do is lower some of the saturation, and you will notice a bit of a difference with the camera. Now currently I've put out a number of 17 for the filter, and it's the black and white filter that you can select on the camera, and I will show you in a second how to do that. Now is the current saturation levels with it, and it looks a little more natural. So this is one way to deal with the issues of oversaturation with the LG V40's cameras and with video. Now, the way to fix this issue with the oversaturation that the LG V40 and in some cases that I've heard the LG G8 has is by dealing with the filters on this phone. There's a section on the camera app that you can deal with the filter, and this is how you do it. Really simple. Right here at the top, as you can see, there's a button that has where you can change the filter strength and change the different types of filters. I already have it in this section for the black and white filter, and what I end up doing is just changing the strength. I like to leave it somewhere around about 17-18 range. It kind of depends on what works best for you, but that's really all you have to do, and there's a lot of detail that comes out in the pictures by not having it oversaturated like you find right out the box. So hope this helps anyone. Thank you, and later.